New project, new rooftop, same grind. We just started a new commercial solar project. This is a 4-story building, and then the real playground is the rooftop where everything goes down. This isn't a massive commercial project, but don't get it twisted. We're installing 76 solar panels, and every commercial job deserves respect. We're working with Unirac using their RM5 ballast system. Concrete blocks provide the weight, and we're also installing power grip attachments for extra stability. At this point, all the bases are fully laid out and positioned exactly where they need to be. We've already started placing the ballast blocks and installing the power grips. Both inverters are already mounted on the wall. All the wiring has been run to the main panel, so electrically speaking, we're close to wrapping things up. Now it's all about finishing the solar panels and locking everything in. This project is expected to take about 3 weeks. Commercial sites move differently. Safety comes first, and teamwork matters even more when multiple companies are working on the same building. Week 1 is in the books. Solid progress, clean work, and we're just getting started.